These days, nearly every local business has a presence on Google Maps. This is because Google Maps is the top platform consumers use to find the products or services they need. That's why it's so crucial for local businesses to establish themselves on Google and build up strong reviews. This also opens up a big opportunity for those of us offering B2B services. You can use Google Maps to find leads. Today, I'm going to walk you through a free, fast, and easy method to scrape Google Maps for unlimited leads. Once you master this, there's no reason why you can't have as many clients as you want. If you're new to my channel, hello, I'm AI Chick. And here, you'll learn everything about AI and automation. Don't forget to like and subscribe below. I post new videos every week. So, to scrape Google Maps for endless leads, the first thing we'll do is head over to Maps, Google.com. Then, we'll search for businesses in our target location. Right now, I'm in South Carolina. In the search bar, type in the type of business you want to target. It could be dentists, doctors, plumbers, tattoo artists, or any local service. This method works great for all of them. Let's say I'm targeting restaurants, and you'll notice that the Google URL changes depending on what I'm searching for. If I type in dentist, the URL changes. The same happens if I search hairdresser. This change in the URL is important. For this example, we'll use hairdressers. But remember, you can apply this web scraping process to any kind of local business listed on Google Maps. Once we have the URL, copy it and head over to Make. Come to create a new scenario. For those unfamiliar, Make. Come is an automation tool that helps automate repetitive tasks. After creating the scenario, you'll be brought to a blank canvas. Press the plus button in the center to reveal all the different ways to trigger your automation. We'll be using the HTTP module and selecting Make a Request. This will ping the website and return all the HTML code. The reason we see this clean front-end design is that once the HTML is rendered, it displays the visual layout. I'm going to paste the Google Maps URL into the HTTP module. Keep the method as get. Select Yes for parsing the response, and hit OK. Then I'll save and rename the automation to Google Maps Web Scraping. Let's test it out by right-clicking and running just this module. As you can see, we've successfully called the Google Maps URL and retrieved all the data we need. However, 95% of it is information we don't want. We only need the URLs from this web page. To extract what we need, we'll use a regular expression, regex, to identify patterns in the text. You don't need to code for this. Chatgpt can help you generate the regex pattern for website URLs. I'll provide you with the code as well. The next step is to look for a text parser module. In this module, we'll insert the regular expression pattern to filter out the URLs. The text parser will scan all the HTML code and extract just the website URLs we want. Once this is done, hit global match to return all URLs rather than just the first one. Also, make sure multi-line is selected. I'll provide the automation code in my school community for those who want to download it. Once filled in, press OK. Let's see if it worked. As you can see, we now have a list of URLs returned, but many are just Google URLs, which we don't need. We only want URLs belonging to the hairdresser websites. So, to filter out unwanted URLs, we'll need to group them into an array and sort them individually. To do this, we'll use the Array Aggregator module under Flow Control. In the source module, we'll choose the text parser, as we want all the URLs to be aggregated into the array. We'll focus on the fallback match because that's where the URL is stored. This allows us to see how each component of the automation is structured based on the previous module's results. Now that we have the array of URLs, the next step is to set up a loop to go through each URL to filter out the bogus Google URLs and keep the valid ones from potential clients. Use the repeater module to achieve this. The repeater will loop as many times as there are items in the array. We'll now filter the URLs so that any containing Google or static will be skipped, and only valid URLs will be passed to the next step, scraping the email address from the client's website. We'll apply the same method as before. Ping the website, use regex to extract the email, and then decide what to do next. Store the email in Google Sheets, send a cold email directly, or add the lead to a CRM. If you're using other lead generation software, this would typically be more costly and offer less customization. With this method, it's cheaper and gives you full control. For this example, let's store the results in Google Sheets. I've created a simple spreadsheet with 2 columns, URL and email. You can use this same method to scrape anything from phone numbers to addresses. Anything with a pattern can be scraped using regex. And don't worry, Chatgpt can help you write the regex pattern. After everything is set up, ensure the system is stable by adding an error handler to handle any potential issues. This completes our automation in less than 20 minutes. Let's run it and see what we get. After 30 seconds, the run is complete, and we have 12 valid email addresses from potential leads. Doing this manually could take hours, but now you can repeat the process effortlessly. For added flexibility, you can set up the automation to run once a day by listing all the Google Maps URLs you want to target in a Google Sheet and having the automation check the list daily. By doing this, you'll have a constant stream of leads. If you'd like to automate the email outreach as well, you can connect to a CRM like Go High Level, which allows you to tag leads and set up automated email sequences. This way, you'll never miss an opportunity to connect with a potential client. I hope this method helps you scrape as many leads as you need from Google Maps. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to join my free AI and automation training link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.